welcome back. So today is the final reveal of all 4 upstairs bathrooms. I'm so excited with how they turned out. I think they're really gorgeous. We used really beautiful materials, all marbles, custom cabinetry, just playing with different combinations but very subtle tones, just to keep a serene environment. So looking forward to showing you through the process. So yeah, let's get started. As we enter the primary bathroom, you have the enclosed toilet, which I love, as well as a closet to the right, and then towel hooks, hanging light fixtures, then a gorgeous vanity and shower. So gorgeous with the 2x2 tiles and then the floating bench and just the simple 8x16 white tiles on the wall, not to take away from the feature piece. And then we have the threshold and the gorgeous porcelain tile, which I was so happy when we found because, you know, sometimes it's hard to match all these colors, but the tone is absolutely perfect and I was so happy. And then we had this custom glass shower door made. I think they did a wonderful job. This gorgeous shower. You step in, look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. Then we have the porcelain floor, the 2x2 tile, and then the quartzite shower bench. How gorgeous is this stone? And then look at that. We did the backlit wall to really focus on the beauty of the stone. And then we just did, I think it was an 8x12 tile. And look at that little niche. I love that little niche. It's so adorable. We framed it with the stone, just that little pop over there. It's really gorgeous. And then over here, which we have in the other bathrooms, is the tile heater, which is really, you don't know you need it until you have it. And then you're like, how did I live without this? And then approaching over here, we have the vanity, also custom made by the same maker of the kitchen cabinets. We did these simple little pulls. They're really just simple Brizzo again, beautiful. Same faucet as in the other bathroom. And over here, we did the 2 light fixtures with the mirror. And fun little hack. So we was looking for this mirror with the oak border, and I happened to find these mirrors can run for thousands of dollars, but I happened to find a horizontal, a vertical one at Target for $60. So we were able to save on that because all of this custom work and quartzite countertops, they were a splurge, so it was nice to save on one thing, and you wouldn't really know. So fun fact. And then we have the little towel hooks over here. Oh, let me show you one more thing actually. This is actually a walk-in closet in the part of the primary. So that's a cute little closet. And then there's another little towel closet next to it. So there's also storage in the bathroom, which I love. And all the incredible storage of the vanity there. Here we have bathroom number 2. When you enter, There's a toilet and the white hexagon floor. Standing sink, mirror. Very simple but beautiful. Walk-in shower. And I absolutely love, well, first of all, look at that drain. Love that drain. And then the Asian statuary 1x1 tiles. And look at these walls, look at the texture. Look at the texture on this wall. It's beautiful. And then the beautiful built-in. I absolutely love that. So gorgeous. With the Brizzo fixtures, floor to ceiling. So this is a small space, but I think we used it really well, really intentionally, and I really love how it came out. And then we enter into the bathroom with the original clawfoot tub, which is super cute. Clawfoot tub with the custom vanity that we made and painted. And then this antique mirror that we found that's super cute with the 2 sconces. Just really love this clean and simple bathroom. Clay tile on the floor. Nice view outside. Simple and elegant. Marble countertop. We enter this bathroom with the hexagon tiles, original beams, nice view outside into the courtyard. Love this niche where we carry the tile from the floor into the background. Then we have the chevron pattern along with the tub and the shower. Just very simple, clean, easy. Then the nice circular mirror, custom cabinetry, Brizzo hardware, and marble countertop that matches perfectly the marble on the floor. I was so happy we were able to find that. Yeah, so that's that. So thank you guys so much for coming on this. I just love the shower. Thank you guys so much for coming on this bathroom tour with me. Please let me know in the comments which is your favorite, 1, 2, 3, or 4. I am partial to this one. However, there's so many cute little details on the 4 of them. So yeah, you let me know your thoughts. How cute is that? I love that. So anyway, thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed. I certainly did. Please let me know your thoughts, comments, and please stay tuned for next week as we reveal more of what's going on in this house. Yeah, so have a beautiful day. Mwah.